I chose ACC because of what they offered, this wonderful sim lab, and the program just seemed to fit, what I needed. I didn't have to go anywhere else. It was one choice, and it was a good choice.
Coming here and graduating was the best decision I ever made. I love my job. I actually don't feel like I'm at work most of the time because I love my patients.
You have to give up a lot, but at the end, you think about, is it worth it or is it not worth it? And this right here, it opened so many doors for you, so it was worth it. And I was sad giving up some stuff, but it's okay. I got a lot now, so it works out.
ACC students are better prepared for the field. I've run into other people who have went to other schools and they don't prepare them like ACC does. We get to experience a lot of things, not just in this wonderful sim lab, but out in clinicals. We get to, experience a lot of things, all the aspects that we need. We have a checklist, and we definitely check everything off the list, so you're way better prepared when you get ready to go out into the field. They ask you, can you do this? Yes. You ask the next person, can they do that? They can't do it because they didn't go here.
I was able to do a lot of procedures that, most people aren't able to do as new grads, so it was a plus. And I really enjoyed, being able to know these things versus, me not knowing and stepping into, an environment where it's always, high demand. They want you to know a lot, so you got to know your stuff. But ACC, they gave me all of that. They pushed me so hard.
I've accomplished a lot going to this school. I am really grateful for coming here. This would be a good choice for you if you do decide to come here, because it thoroughly prepares you for whatever choice, whatever career that you chose to come here for, whether it's nursing, whether it's medical assistant, whether it's surgical tech. They do prepare you, and they don't just let your hand go when you leave. They also help you afterwards. While you're here, it's just a great school and a great program.
For all the LVNs or medical assistants, you want to be determined. You want to go for the RN, go for the RN. You want to go for become a physician's assistant, go for it. Because knowledge is power, and knowledge is beautiful. There's nothing more better than being educated.
If anybody's ever determined and they really want to get something done, they can do it. Don't ever say you can't, because I always said I couldn't do it, but I got it done. So that's my, words of encouragement to others if they're looking to be in the medical field.
The advice that I have is choose ACC. That's my advice. But also do your research. Do your research and make sure that this is what you want to do, because it's not an easy thing. It's not an easy job at all. Not just the hours, but what it takes to be a nurse is not easy. So just make sure that you have that passion, because that is a giant part, not just the education. The education just solidifies it for you. But if you have that passion, those two things together makes it great.